So 4-5 is finding an equation from a graph. What does this plus or minus do? Over what?
X-axis.
And I'm just going to say axis because that axis can go up and down, yes? Like that can move?
Yeah.
Yes? So I'm not saying the x-axis. What is A? Amp. And amp is the distance from the axis. Okay, it's important we know what all these things are because you're going to have to identify them. This goes for sine or cosine. That's why I put sine / cosine. Okay? B is the number of complete cycles in 2 pi, yes? But how do we find it? Because we're going to be looking at a graph. A graph isn't going to say B's right here.
No, you just don't
We
do
had P equaled what? 2 pi over B. So what's B equal with this equation? I'd multiply by B, yes?
2 pi P.
2 pi divided by P? Because you'd have to divide the P over. Okay? So 2 pi over P. What is P? Period. And what, if I came to you and said, I don't understand what the period is, how would you describe it? How would you tell me that, what it was?
1 full cycle.
1 full cycle. Okay. Oh, I wasn't even done writing it. What did I forget? Okay, what's H?
Left or right.
Left or right? And what's K?
Up and down.
Up and down. Okay, so when we look at a graph, we're going to say, did it move up or down? Did it move left or right? When we're talking about moving left or right, we're talking about what happens right here. So sine would go 0 and go up, yes? And cosine would start at 1 and go down. So we're talking about right there, left or right. And what are we talking about, up or down? We're talking about the axis, right? So we're just going to pull this stuff from the graph and then write the equation. That's what we're going to do. Now, how to get the book up. I think I'm just going to pull